today we're going to be installing a back box for a crash helmet on the back of my Lexmoto motorbike. Let's see how we get on. So this is the bit that attaches to the bike. It's got different type of Allen key sockets and they just like a butterfly. We're going to see on the bike, see if we can get it installed. We'll see if it'll fit. And wouldn't you believe it, right on cue as we're about to start, the rain starts chucking it down. So the rain seems to be easing up. Hopefully we can get on with our job. Right, so I've tried to line it up, get it on, get the screws through, put the brackets through that way. They're not long enough to go all the way across, but as you can see it hooks over one side, and I'll do the same on this side. Get a screwdriver, not a screwdriver, a spanner, hold the bolt and then do up the top with the Allen key on top. I bought it second hand. I was expecting it to only fit one crash helmet, but it's a bit of a big one and it takes two crash helmets. Well, that'll be all the better for shopping, I suppose. Attached it, just seeing if it's lined up. It is a double one, so it's quite big. Turn it. It just has a attachment in there. You turn it on and it screws up into there. So we've done some bolts where we can. We had to put the longer ones at the back and the short ones at the front. I haven't tightened them up yet. I was just trying to see if I can line it up properly. But other than that, other than looking a bit big, it looks okay. So to shed it, there you go. And that's it locked. And actually when I'm riding it, you can't even see it in your mirrors behind you. So it just slots in at the front and screws in at the back. And thanks for joining me. This is Mike Furyan signing off. And may God the Creator always be with you.